Is KTM still the C word in 2025?
ऑल्सो एक बहुत बड़ा खुलासा होने वाला है इस वीडियो के एंड में. एनीवेज, बैक टू KTM still C word in 2025. Well, it was never one to begin with.
वैसे तो आपने ये वाले कमेंट बहुत पढ़े होंगे. बाइक चपड़ी नहीं होती, राइडर होता है.
And I have talked about it multiple times too, be it my live stream, video, reels, everywhere. By the way, which is 100% pure common sense, which is not common anymore, just like ethics in most motovloggers.
See, usually the C word attacks comes from people who have never ridden a KTM properly. So basically they have never experienced it.
Or just don't like the orange color, which is totally subjective, dude. Instead, let's ask this question: KTM for India in 2025. इससे पहले मैं आगे बढ़ूं, मैं क्लियर करना चाहता हूं, KTM ने मेरे को जैक शिट कुछ नहीं दिया है, टी-शर्ट तक नहीं दिया है. For saying all this, I do love KTM products. I do bleed orange. Though I am totally aware of their pros and cons. क्या सही है, क्या गलत है. And I keep criticizing them जहां पे ये गलत होता है. And you should do too with your favorite brand or product or whatever. That's how you keep them in check. इसलिए I am no अंधभक्त of KTM. Anyways, back to the question. KTM for India in 2025. So I personally feel that they are doing so much for Indian motorcycling community, जो हम लोग को दिखता नहीं. हम लोग को वही वायरल क्लिप्स दिखती हैं Instagram brain rot से. Or maybe you know what they're doing and maybe you don't. Let's do a recap. Starting with the motorsport, we saw 2 seasons of KTM RC Cup, and there are many more to come. Many more seasons are coming, giving a much needed and accessible platform for our aspiring racers. Next, we saw KTM Factory Racing for Off-Road come to India in 2024, where they took our Indian riders and trained them in US. The best part, they won the national championship in 2024 itself. फिर एक और प्रोग्राम है जो मेरे को बहुत पसंद है KTM से रिलेटेड, द KTM Pro XP प्रोग्राम, जहां पे वो KTM ओनर्स को राइड पे ले जाते हैं, ट्रेनिंग्स पे ले जाते हैं, लॉन्ग टूर्स पे ले जाते हैं. इवन जहां पे मैं ट्रेनिंग करने जाता हूं अपनी ऑफ रोड बिग रॉक, वहां पे भी मैंने बहुत बार इनके कैंप्स देखे. हर महीने पे एक बार तो होता ही था. Usually in this training program, there will be an expert with them, which will be helping these owners of KTM motorcycle to use their motorcycle at its fullest, understand the motorcycle, yeah, become a better rider, which I really like, man. And my favorite thing that KTM is doing, I don't know if you heard about it, is the KTM Academy for Safe Riding, जहाँ पे KTM teams colleges जाती हैं and then they have this event where they train the students to become a better responsible rider. जैसे correct positioning हो गई, vision हो गया आपका, how to use your controls properly, basically how to become a better rider and behave like a better motorcyclist. Any day better than those events जहाँ पे ये सुपर बाइकर्स को बुलाते हैं, इनके पास सुपर बाइक है, इनको बुलाओ, और फिर वो आके घंटा कुछ नहीं सिखाते हैं, बस आके और फिर इंजन फोड़ फाड़ के चले जाते हैं. मैंने जितने भी इवेंट जाके मैंने देखे ना, या तो कूलेंट लीक मार रहा होता है या तो इंजन में आग लगी होती है. क्या ही सीखने को मिलता है, गलत चीज सीखने को मिलती है, बस हाउ टू मिसयूज योर मोटरसाइकिल और कुछ नहीं. एंड सीरियसली गाइस, आई डोंट नो अबाउट यू गाइस, बट आई डोंट सी एनी अदर ब्रांड डूइंग दिस राइट नाउ इन इंडिया. मे बी हाँ, आप लोग ये बोलोगे क्योंकि उनकी इमेज खराब है, दैट्स व्हाई दे डूइंग इट. मैन, कुड बी मैन, बट एटलीस्ट दे डूइंग इट. नेक्स्ट व्हाट वी आर सीइंग फ्रॉम KTM is we are seeing big investment coming into the infrastructure in terms of big bike showrooms, जहां पे we saw launch of premium KTM motorcycles. किसने इमेजिन किया था? That too they launched these premium bikes in different classes. We now have classes like Enduro, SX, Adventure, Duke Range, 890, Super Duke. जो मेरी लाइव स्ट्रीम देखते हैं उनको पता है मेरी ड्रीम बाइक कौन सी है. मेरे चश्मे में दिख भी रही होगी मेरा वॉलपेपर. Before it was the KTM 1290 Super Duke and now is the KTM 3090 Super Duke. I am so grateful that KTM got this bike to India, man. नहीं तो मैं सिर्फ ये इमेजिन करता था, मेरी तो ड्रीम बाइक है KTM Super Duke. इंडिया में तो घंटा चलाने को मिलने वाला नहीं मेरे को. जब ट्रैवल करेंगे दुबई, वही मे बी जस्ट रेंट इट आउट. बट नाउ एटलीस्ट आई कैन हैव बिगर ड्रीम्स, लाइक मे बी ओनिंग इट वन डे और मे बी एटलीस्ट राइडिंग इट वन डे. हाँ, मैं मानता हूँ कुछ ये प्रीमियम मोटरसाइकिल के प्राइसेस कुछ ज्यादा ही इधर उधर हैं, बट वो एटलीस्ट इंडिया लेके तो आए. Now let's talk about the Bajaj partnership Duke India motorcycle. जैसे कि आपका ड्यूक 250, 390, आरसी सीरीज, एडवेंचर सीरीज और अब एंड्यूरो सीरीज ऑल्सो. यस, मैं मानता हूँ लुक्स आर पोलराइजिंग. KTM was always known for making polarizing looking motorcycles. Nothing new. They are not here to please everyone, I guess. Nor the bike is for everyone, how they perform.
And usually these KTM motorcycles are best in the segments of value for money.
What do you think about the new Adventure 390 that is coming in? Don't you think it will be the best in this segment? Let me know. And I have always recommended Duke 250 as the first motorcycle for newbies. Though the 250 engine doesn't perform like any KTM engine. It's so different. इसी से याद आया जब मैंने KTM को पहली बार देखा था. I still remember the day so clearly. मेरी पहली जॉब थी कोरमंगला करके एक जगह है हमारे बैंगलोर में. वहाँ पे एक स्टार्टअप में मैं काम करता था and we used to go have our lunch. और KTM just got launched and someone bought a KTM. जहाँ पे मैं खाना खाने जाता था वहीं पे नीचे पार्क. That was the first time I saw a KTM. I was very new to motorcycling. I had a scooter. I always aspired to have a motorcycle one day, yes. But I never knew what to buy. Anyways, so that is the first day I saw the KTM Duke 200. 2013 only, I guess. Yeah. I just fell in love. I just fell in love that day. I had no idea what is a KTM, कहाँ से है, किस country से है, what is a full form. अभी भी full form नहीं बता सकता मैं आपको.
Shame.
But I had no freaking clue. I just fell in love with that motorcycle. The tank shape, the headlamp, the build quality especially, the orange accent. Oof. I just fell in love that time only, and I made up my mind that I am going to get a better job so I can pay EMI. And then I switched my job in few months, got a better salary, and I think my 50% salary was going towards picking up a Duke 390 at that time. So my first bike was a Duke 390. I don't recommend people to buy their first bike as Duke 390. I was not that well educated, but I was mature enough. I never rode it more than 100 for 2 years. Highway पे मैं ले गया था एक साल के बाद because I was not that good at riding. I was still learning. That's the point. So been in love with KTM since the start. Anyways, back to buttering KTM, I guess. Tech related बातें कर लेते हैं. Okay. We know that KTM has made one of the best value for money products. Also, they got these techs at a very affordable price, like your launch control, cornering ABS. Now you have this cornering traction control coming in. Adventure 390. Also the quick shifter plus, it's so freaking smooth. It's so good. Ninja का अगर compare करें तो कुछ भी नहीं है इसके सामने. Quick shifter जो KTM provide कर रहा है at this price.
Wait a minute.
I know वीडियो शुरू होने के पहले ही बहुत लोगों ने कमेंट डाल दिया होगा. What about KTM bankruptcy? If you have been following the news, then you can see the international KTM is taking big steps to fix the problem. Also, I'm not talking out of my ass. I wish I could. Anyways, coming back to the point, we know that Bajaj partnership KTM India is not going anywhere. They're doing well enough. It is not affected by the bankruptcy. For more, check out this Autocar article. Link in the description. Hell, even I recently booked the Enduro R, the KTM 390 Enduro R. और उसके ऊपर डिटेल में बातें करेंगे कोई और वीडियो में. तो ये वीडियो का मकसद यही था, to showcase that the KTM is doing so much for our motorcycling community, and it's about time we stop associating the C word with KTM and start associating with R15. I'm just kidding. I am just kidding.
Okay, time for the बड़ा खुलासा. जो चैनल पे पुराने हैं वो तो अभी तक समझ ही गए होंगे कि KTM Duke 790 is back. Yes, and this time the name is Charizard. Okay, इसके ऊपर और चर्चा करेंगे फ्यूचर के मोटो व्लॉग्स में. सो बने रहिए. डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब एंड सी यू देयर इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो.